Keto compliance is a fancy term for saying that you should eat and drink only fatty items. The whole idea of the keto diet, of course, is to eat and drink fat so your body burns fat as its primary fuel. Currently, your body is burning sugar in your bloodstream for its energy requirements. You get this sugar by loading up on food that is rich in carbohydrates. I am talking of course about potatoes, pasta, enriched flour like white bread, and grains like rice or heavily processed corn. All these starchy foods pump a tremendous amount of carbohydrates in your system. The problem with that is when your body detects carbohydrates, it starts to produce insulin. Insulin is the hormone your body uses to open up its cells to fuel that it uses for energy. Your body needs energy for you to stay alive. Simply pumping blood, blinking, breathing, walking, going around, all of these and more require energy. Currently, your body uses sugar in your blood for this energy. When you adopt the keto diet, you switch over from burning sugar to burning fat. This is a big deal, because when your body burns sugar due to insulin, you're not burning fat. This is an either-or proposition. Either your body is burning sugar, or it isn't. When you're not burning sugar, all that fat remains in your body's fat cells. That nasty spare tire that you have been lugging around for many years will remain there. It's not going anywhere if you use sugar as your primary energy source. This is why people are all excited about the keto diet. When you eat fat and less sugar or carbs, your body begins to burn fat for fuel. It starts off with the fat that you eat, but that is not enough. It then starts to burn your stored fat. Insulin is not in the picture, so that hormone is not blocking your fat cells from releasing their contents. Your body starts to burn fat, and you get slimmer, lighter, and better looking. What's not to love? Here's the good news. If you stop drinking this, you are well on your way to keto compliance. Stop drinking soda. Did you know that the average can of soda has more than 10 teaspoons of sugar in it? We are talking about gram upon gram upon gram of sugar. As I have mentioned above, whenever you have sugar in your system, your body will produce insulin. Insulin puts a stop to any kind of fat burning going on in your body. Kiss it goodbye, forget about it. This is why it is really important to cut down on sugar regardless of its form. The good news is you take one giant step to making that happen by simply cutting out soda or any fizzy sugared drink currently in your diet. It's not as hard as you think. Believe it or not, people can reacquire their taste for water sooner rather than later. There are other alternatives. You can try tea, you can try unsweetened drinks. You can try zero-calorie drinks as a transition. There's a lot you can do, but by simply cutting out soda, you are well on your way to keto compliance. You won't jump there magically. It's not like cutting out soda pop will dramatically and magically transport you to keto land, but it's definitely a giant step forward. Do yourself a big favor, click here to download a blueprint that will help ensure keto diet success. This blueprint steps you through the necessary preparations that you need to make so your keto journey delivers the outcomes that you are looking for. One key part of this, of course, is helping you transition from drinking several cans of soda a day to none. I know it sounds amazing, but it's actually doable. Click here to get a new lease on life.